Welcome to today video lecture series on the course Introduction to Aerospace Engineering in the part of gas dynamics. Today we will discuss about the what are the major components and how it will be working in piston engines. Basically we know about the main principle of the piston engine is the chemical energy in the form of that will be in any type of fuel is converted into mechanical energy using these components in piston engines, and finally it will be converted into electrical energy. So this is the main principle of piston engine, and now we will discuss about the what are the components will be used in piston engines. Basically the components will be in the valves. The first is inlet valves and exhaust valves, and piston and connecting rod and camshaft and also camshaft and cylinder, and final one is in a cylinder head. So here this is the some images, some types will be in piston engine. In this piston engines, these are the valves will be used. Mainly we said that about the inlet valve and exhaust valve. So the valves will be used for which allows the air and fuel mixture ratio into that engine. So during it is the operation of the piston engine, it will be consist of 4 cycles will be used. The first one is a suction stroke and compression stroke and power, and final one is an exhaust stroke. It will be classified into 2-stroke and 4-stroke engines. So in these components here, it will be the second one is in a piston arrangement. So the piston arrangement, it will be in the suction stroke, the air is entering into the inlet valve and the piston will move towards the downward direction. Using the connecting of the connecting rod, it will be connected in the crankshaft. The crankshaft will be rotation. So this is the first stroke of suction, and second stroke it will be is a compression stroke. This is the compressed air and fuel ratio will be happening in that area. So in this part the air direction will goes to the upward direction. The same time the crankshaft will be rotation. Using the connecting rod, the piston movements will be goes to the upward direction. During this compression stroke, the inlet valve and exhaust valve both are in closed condition. And the next one is in a primary stroke section. It is the power stroke. So in this power stroke, the both valves, inlet valve and exhaust valve will be in a closed condition, and the piston movements will be again goes to the downward direction. So here the air fuel mixture will be happening and the ignition of the spark will be produced. So in this area the spark plug will be functioning, and it is mainly used for produced of the some mechanical work. Already we said that from the basic principle of the engine. And this in this power stroke, mainly the both valves will be in a closed condition. So here is will be represented by the graphical representation using top dead cylinder and bottom dead cylinders also. And that final stroke it will be is in exhaust stroke or final stroke. So in this final stroke, the combustions will be over from the power stroke, and the final some amount of air will be releasing or will be delivered to the exhaust condition using the exhaust valve condition. So in this exhaust valve condition, the inlet valve will be in a closed condition, and the exhaust valve will be released the some amount of wastages of air delivered to the atmospheric condition. So this is the main principle and major components will be used in piston engines, and finally it will be how it will be worked using the some component of the engines. And so these nowadays these piston engines are used in automobile engines, and ancient days these type of piston engines will be used in aircraft engines also. For example, Cessna 2-seater trainer aircraft in these ancient days that will be used from the piston engine.